Today I'm going to show you how to change the map sensor and the hoses on your Mercedes. I have had my Mercedes for a very long time, and I can tell with an ear if something is not adding up correctly in the engine. This here is the map sensor. It cost only $25. And that's the cost if you are fixing it yourself. Otherwise, the dealership is a different story altogether. So dirty. This engine needs cleaning. I have to get a degreaser for cleaning it. This here is always the culprit. When I ran the engine codes, it gave me code P0106, which has got something to do with the mass airflow. The recommendation is to change the map sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and open the access. Here we go. It needs some wiggling. You have to be careful you don't break components. The recommendation is to change the map sensor, and you must also check if it's just the vacuum hoses before buying the sensor. In this case, I realized my vacuum hoses were all cracked up. I went ahead and bought a 1-foot length, which again, costed me only $12. This here is the secondary air pump. I am going to remove it, that way I can access the vacuum hose for replacement. But first, I'm going to unhook the negative terminal on my battery, that way I'm not working with the current running all over. Remember, when you're removing the secondary air pump, it is important to insulate this bolt or screw with either an electrical tape or any non-conductor, since it's connected to the car electricals. This is our replacement vacuum hose. It looks like I'm going to replace the air injection hose too. It's cracked up badly. Both my two hoses are cracked up. Good thing I ordered extra length. And this is how you access the two vacuum hoses. It's an easy repair that you can do it yourself. We removed the secondary air pump to make it easy to swap these two hoses. They were the culprit. I will be sending back the map sensor to the store. It was not the problem. Look at these hose. It's totally rotten, not good. Please subscribe to the Nubian Diary for more content every week.